converting a fraction. So write this as a decimal. So the cool thing is that when we think about decimals, you want to think about, let's think about all the places, right? We've got tenths, we've got hundredths, and we've got thousands, okay? So the nice thing is that, oops, really botched that, thousandths. So the nice thing is that when we see a 4/10 or 4/10, guess where that 4 goes? In the 10th spot. So this is just, as a decimal, it's just 0.4. And that's pretty nice and straightforward just from the names. So if we see, let's look at this next one. Oh, they wanted a 0 in front of it, that's fine. Now they've got 9 hundredths, oops, 9 hundredths. Well, guess what? It's a 9/100. So where does that 9 go? In the 100th spot. What goes in front of that? Well, it's nothing. It's so 0. So our answer is 0.09. But they want a 0 in front, so that's fine. Let's do that. Doesn't change the number. It's just almost like a grammatically correct way to write it. All right, last one. 52/100. This is a good one that we should be aware of as well. So now 52/100. So since over 100, you might think, well, do I put the 5 here and the 2 here because it's hundreds? It's the last digit that goes in the 100 spot. So as a 52 hundredths, we write 52 hundredths. And that's our answer.